Welcome everyone to Health Tips 60 Plus, your trusted guide for healthy aging. Today, we begin a vital journey to understand silent body pain. Have you ever woken up with stiff fingers or a dull ache in your knees that makes getting out of bed difficult? For those over 60, the culprit behind these aches is often chronic inflammation, a small but persistent fire hidden deep inside tissues. Inflammation causes pain, but it is also the root of heart disease, diabetes, and memory decline as we continue to age. However, there is wonderful news for everyone watching today. Your kitchen is the best pharmacy you will ever need for healing. You do not always need complex prescriptions. Natural foods possess magical healing powers that can restore your body from the inside out. Today, I will share the 7 most powerful anti-inflammatory foods you should include in your daily menu for flexibility and energy. We aim to regain the joy of movement. Let us discover how to extinguish those internal fires with simple dietary changes today. Let us start with our first superfood category, fatty fish, including salmon, mackerel, and sardines, often called liquid gold for your joints. Why do we call it liquid gold? Because fatty fish contains extremely high levels of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA. When entering the body, omega-3 inhibits enzymes that cause inflammation. It is like oiling rusty hinges from deep within your body. Expert advice suggests eating at least 2 fish meals every week. A piece of grilled salmon is delicious and highly protective. It acts as a potent dose of medicine, protecting your heart and legs, helping you move smoother and live longer. Next, we have the second group, berries. These include blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, tiny fruits with massive health benefits for seniors. These small fruits contain anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that create their vibrant colors and fight against dangerous inflammation in your system. Anthocyanins help clean up free radicals that are attacking cartilage cells. Think of them as a cleaning crew for your joints. Here is a secret. A handful of berries every morning with unsweetened yogurt will help extinguish inflammatory reactions right at sunrise. Starting your day this way provides a delicious defense shield, keeping your body cool and protected throughout your daily activities. Moving on to food number 3, dark leafy greens like spinach and kale. These are essential for anyone over 60 years old. As we age, we need more vitamin K and antioxidants. Green vegetables help reduce inflammatory markers in the blood significantly. They also provide calcium to protect your bones. Kale specifically contains sulforaphane, an active compound that blocks cartilage damage effectively. Sulforaphane helps prevent the heavy degeneration of joints. Incorporating these greens into your meals is a direct investment in your mobility. Let us talk about food number 4, walnuts. Among all nuts, walnuts rank first in anti-inflammatory capabilities for the human body. This power comes from alpha-linolenic acid, a plant-based omega-3. It is not just good for joints, but protects heart and brain. Please note, just 3 to 5 walnuts a day are enough. Do not eat too many as they are quite high in energy. This small snack habit can make a big difference in maintaining your cognitive health and keeping joint inflammation at bay. Food number 5 is a dynamic duo, turmeric and ginger. I call these two the natural antibiotics of the culinary world. The active compound curcumin in turmeric helps reduce arthritis pain comparable to some Western medicines, but is extremely safe for stomachs. It offers powerful relief without the side effects often associated with long-term medication use. Nature truly knows how to heal us. Expert's secret: always use turmeric with a pinch of black pepper. This simple trick increases absorption by 2,000%. A warm cup of ginger turmeric tea in the evening will help your body recover better while you enjoy deep sleep. Food number 6 is extra virgin olive oil. This is a staple of the healthiest diets in the world for longevity. Olive oil contains oleocanthal, a compound with pain-relieving effects similar to ibuprofen. It helps protect the membrane surrounding your joints. This natural lubrication helps your movements become smoother. You will notice less stiffness when performing daily tasks like walking or climbing. Advice: use olive oil to dress salads or drizzle over food after cooking to preserve these precious active compounds completely. Finally, food number 7, broccoli. This vegetable is a powerhouse of nutrition that acts as a guardian for your skeletal system. Broccoli contains sulforaphane, a golden active ingredient that helps block enzymes that destroy cartilage cells within your aging joints. Eating broccoli regularly is like building a protective shield for your entire musculoskeletal system, keeping it strong against wear and tear. Best preparation method: lightly steam broccoli for 3 to 5 minutes to preserve the full integrity of anti-inflammatory nutrients. These 7 foods are gifts from nature. They are accessible, delicious, and incredibly effective at fighting the silent pain of inflammation. Ladies and gentlemen, changing your diet does not bring results overnight. It requires consistency and patience to see true lasting benefits. But I guarantee you, if you persist with these 7 foods for 2 to 4 weeks, you will feel lighter. Your body will feel less heavy, the nagging pains will soothe, and your steps will become more steady and confident. Do not try to change everything at once. Start by adding just one of these 7 foods to your meal tomorrow. Listen to your body carefully, and let nutrition perform its healing mission. Small steps lead to significant improvements in health. Your health is your most valuable asset. Investing in what you eat is investing in your independence and happiness. Imagine a future where you can play with grandchildren or travel without being held back by joint pain or stiffness. It is entirely possible. The power to change your health lies in your shopping basket and on your daily plate. Thank you for dedicating time to your own health today. We hope this information empowers you to make better choices. If you found this video helpful, please hit subscribe so you do not miss our next essential health advice videos. Share this video with friends or family who might need it. Together, we can build a community of healthy aging. Remember, it is never too late to start caring for your body. Every healthy meal is a step towards vitality. Let food be your medicine. Embrace these flavors and enjoy the journey of healing your body naturally and effectively. We look forward to hearing your success stories. Leave a comment below if you have tried any of these foods. Taking control of your diet is taking control of your life. Be the architect of your own health and well-being. Nature has provided us with everything we need. It is up to us to use these gifts wisely every day. Stay hydrated, stay active, and stay positive. Your body has an amazing capacity to heal when given the right tools. Combine these foods with light exercise for the best results. Movement and nutrition go hand in hand for joint health. Do it for yourself, and do it for those who love you. A healthy you is the best gift for your family. So, will you try salmon or walnuts first? Or perhaps a smoothie with berries? The choice is yours to make. Commit to just 1 month. 4 weeks to a new you. You have nothing to lose but the pain itself. Clear your mind and feed your body. The path to a pain-free life is paved with delicious and natural ingredients. Next time you are at the market, remember this list. Your joints will thank you for every healthy purchase you make. Age is just a number when your body feels good. Do not let inflammation dictate how you live your golden years. Put out the fire of inflammation. Reclaim your comfort. You deserve to wake up feeling rested and ready for anything. Imagine waking up tomorrow with a little less stiffness. That is the goal we are striving for together, starting now. Cooking can be a joy, not a chore. Explore new recipes with these ingredients and discover flavors you will love. We are honored to be part of your health journey. Thank you for trusting Health Tips 60+ with your time. We work hard to bring you the best scientific advice. Your well-being is our greatest motivation and our ultimate goal. Love your body, feed it well, and it will serve you well for many more years to come. That is a promise. Just as a garden needs water and sunlight, your body needs the right nutrients to bloom and thrive every day. Walk tall and walk strong. With the right fuel, your journey ahead will be smooth and full of vibrant energy. Join thousands of others who have improved their lives through nutrition. You are not alone on this path to health. Wishing you joy, health, and flexibility every single day. Make sure to take care of yourself and your loved ones. Goodbye and see you in the next video. This is Health Tips 60+, your partner for a healthier, happier life.